You wanted me to create a natural eyebrow look, and I was inspired by Aditi Rao to create this beautiful, simple eye look. So if you're interested, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm not going to be using any brow product to fill my brows in. Instead, I'm going to be brushing it in place first. And then with any brow gel, I'm going to be applying this directly on the brows. For this step, I'm using the NYX brow glue. You can see how well this is holding it in place, and it lasted me all day. Now with the Milani eyeshadow primer, let's go ahead and apply this on the eyelids. You can use a concealer too, but if you want longer wear, go in with an eyeshadow primer. With a major dimension palette by Patrick Ta, let's go in with this light brown shade with the Refer 13 brush, which is a small brush to give us precision, and keeping your eyes open, let's go ahead and create a fake crease. This is essential if you've got hooded eyes. Back into the same shade, let's apply more of the color for it to create a contour like on the eye. With the same shade again, apply that to the bottom lash line. This will contour the eye and the brush gives you added precision. So it is very beginner friendly too. To deepen out that contour, we're going to go in with the darker brown shade and apply it exactly where we did the previous shade. You can see how the crease is getting formed already. This is a very natural look, so apply the pigment depending on your skin tone. And now with this light brown shade and the Refer 14 brush, which is tapered but still gives you precision, let's blend that into the skin tone. These shadows are great because it also blurs out the skin in my opinion. And then with the dark brown shade, let's go ahead and define the bottom lash line. You can use the same brush, no issues at all. Your eyes will look something like this. For shimmer, we're going to be using this beautiful pink but brown shimmer, and we're going to be tapping that on the eyelid. The best thing with these shimmers is that if you spread it out, it goes on like a shimmer, but if you tap it on, it adds a bit of glitter. Look at how that is brightening up the eye. And Aditi is known for these kind of eye looks. She keeps it clean and fresh. To pop our eyes a little more, let's go in with this shimmer shade and tap that on the lid. Your eyes will look something like this at this stage. With a brown eyeliner, let's apply that from the inner corner. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content, so please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. And now on the eyelid, let's apply the same eyeliner very close to the upper lash line. Make the line as thin as you can because we want to keep this looking very natural and fresh. And now with a brush, blend it all out. Use soft but precise hand movements. Remember, we are not trying to smoke out this look, we're just trying to define the eyes a bit more. And with the smudge brush, again, go ahead and blend it out. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. This is how your eye should look at this point. Now to curl our lashes, we're going to be curling them upwards first. So that's exactly what we're doing here. Take your time. You don't want to hurt your lashes or your eye. And now to get that lift on the eyelashes, we're going to be curling it outwards. And finally, let's go back to our first step, which is curling them upwards. For this tutorial, I'm using the Home Beauty Mascara in the shade Noir. It's a very natural looking mascara and it is so easy to use with this wand. You'll see how it goes on right now. Aditi always emphasizes on her mascara and her beautiful long lashes, so keep that in mind when you're applying this. The more you curl the lashes, the more lift it will have. And look at that difference. So let's do the same on the other set of lashes. I have applied at least one layer of mascara, keeping it natural but still beautiful. Go ahead and do the same on the bottom lashes. Clean any fallout with concealer. And there you go guys, this is a very natural, fresh, clean eye look inspired by Aditi. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I had so much fun creating this. And if you did like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks so much for watching guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.